We want to help you keep your RedotPay card working smoothly and avoid declined transactions or extra fees. Here are a few simple tips you should always keep in mind. First, manage your subscription payments. Many services use subscriptions, meaning they automatically charge your card on a regular schedule, like monthly or yearly. Even if you freeze your card, report it as lost, delete it, or let it expire, some merchants may still try to process those charges that if the card is inactive when they try to charge it, the payment will be declined. And in some cases, fees may apply that if you no longer use a card with a specific platform, make sure to unlink it right away. It's also a good idea to regularly review your active subscriptions and remove your RedotPay card from services you don't need anymore. Common subscription platforms include services like Starlink, Google, Facebook, Apple, and others. Next, always check your card status. Before making a payment, confirm that your card is active. Transactions can be declined if your card is frozen, reported lost, expired, or deleted. You can easily check your card status inside the RedotPay app to make sure it's ready to use. Third, make sure you have enough balance. Always check your RedotPay balance before paying. You can also enable balance alerts to receive app notifications or email reminders when your balance drops below a certain amount, that it's important to keep a little extra in your account to cover transaction fees. For example, if your balance is exactly $100 and you try to spend all $100, the transaction could fail because of fees. Finally, verify your settings before you pay. Make sure the crypto assets you want to use are enabled as payment options. Check that the correct local currency is enabled for card transactions. Also confirm that your card has the right payment features turned on for the type of transaction you're making. And last, double-check that your spending amount doesn't exceed your single transaction limit or daily card limit. Following these steps can help you avoid payment issues and keep your RedotPay card running without problems.